Magandang araw, magandang umaga sa mga member natin, no, all around the world. And then napapakita ko sa inyo yung aking website. So bago lang po ako kay livegood, nung 21 lang po ako nag-join. And then papakita ko sa inyo ang aking yan, genealogy, yan. So meron pong makikita kayo dyan na view, enroller tree, metric list, and power line view. So makikita nyo po dito na ako po ay isang unrank pa lang. So pinangalan ko sa anak ko yan, si Ayesha. Yan. So ngayon Webes po ngayon, no. So bali cut off date ngayon ng mga magme-member. Sa mga pre-enrollee po, take note po na malak-in nyo na po bago mag-cut off ngayong midnight ng gabi ng Webes. And then bali may yan, makikita nyo wala pa akong mga tao sa baba or sinasabing spillover. So mga ilang araw po or mga ilang updates po ng mga weeks, magkakamayroon na po yan. Papakita ko po sa inyo na meron na tayong spillover. So yan, at meron din magiging new member sa aking stats. So abangan nyo po yun, guys. And then ito lang papakita ko sa inyo, no, sa power line view. Mula nang mag-join ako kay livegood, ganyan na po karami yung down the line ng pangalan ko. Actually, hindi naman po lahat yan mapupunta sa akin or spill over na kasi worldwide po tayo. So yan, nung 21 po ako nag-member ng August. So bali, yan, sinasabi niya dyan, 193,925 members have joined after you in the power line. So baba natin. So ako, nandito tayo sa unahan. Tapos lahat yan ang naka-orange, lahat po yan member. So ang bilang po niya panggaling sa akin ay 193,925. So kaya naman tatabunan ka talaga dito sa sa livegood, no? Bali hindi pa yan pumapalo dahil hindi pa po nagka-cut off. Bali ang cut off natin ay Thursday night. So yan, sa Sabado po or sa Friday malalaman na natin kasi bago lang ako. Diyan makikita natin kung meron na tayong spillover. At yan ang inaabangan natin. So yun, guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Para mayroon po kayong idea, no. Thank you. And then nga pala, pahabol sa mga gustong member kay livegood, i-PM nyo lang po ako, i-message nyo lang ako at pagtulungan po natin na maging kayo, member. Yan. So yan po, napakaganda ng livegood. Sa halagang 2,900 pesos mo, maaaring ka na membership ka na, member ka na ni livegood. At marami ka ng benepisyong makukuha. Benefits. Yan, may mga products din po siya. Napakaganda po ng products. Nandito po sa baba kung paano ka mag-order. Nandito po yung genealogy, yung sinabi ko sa inyo, yung pinanood natin kanina. Tapos yan po, may dalawa na tayong member. Yan. Papalo na po yan dyan. So bali dito po sa dalawang na-join ko, mayroon po tayong income dyan na $25 kada ulo, kada member na mapasok natin, no? So I have $50 na income this coming week po. So abangan po ninyo yun, ko po yun, ipapanood ko. So bali sabi ni livegood, family first. So kaya naman in-invite ko ang aking asawa at ang aking pamangkin. So good to them na nag-decide din sila na mag-member. Kaya congratulations sa inyong dalawa. At pag-aralan lang ninyo yung yung best business kay livegood at napakaganda talaga nito. So dito, guys, nga pala sa may power landing zone ko, yan, makikita niyo yan. i-click ko yan. Yan, pag yan ang isinend mo sa mga ano mo, prospect, yan ang makikita nila. So, dito, mayroong video. Yan, ipapaliwanag ni CEO Blinsky ang about kay livegood at paano din ang kitaan. Tapos, once you decide, nandiyan po, sulat nyo lang pangalan nyo, tsaka email address. And then, i-receive nyo yung position nyo. Basta, take note, balikan nyo yung taong nag-invite sa inyo at sabihan nyo siya kung kailan kayo magpapalock-in. Kasi, yan, napakaganda kay livegood at pioneering stage. Wala pa po siyang 1 year pero sobrang dami na po ng nagme-member. Nakita nyo naman yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina kung gaano kadami ang tao bago sa pangalan ko, no. At humigit kumulang 200,000 tao na ho yun. Ayan. So yan, pag click mo po yan, once na po yan na i-send mo sa mga ano mo, i-click nila yan, tapos may lalabas po dyan na video. So yan, panoorin niyo po. Replay natin.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of livegood. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive. People are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our Director of Network Marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created livegood. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example. Probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the livegood products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of LiveGood for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of LiveGood, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share LiveGood products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining LiveGood in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling LiveGood the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
So, yun guys. So, see you
What
at
does
the
all
top.
this mean for you?
So, hinto na natin dun, no? So, yan. So, mayroon ka rin nitong power landing zone. And then, sa kada invites mo, yan. Lagyan na lang ng pangalan nila at email pagka mag-decide na sila. And then, reserve your position now. At mag-offer yan dun sa website nyo. Sa link nyo kung sino yung mga taong nag-build up. At para ma-message mo sila kung kailan sila maglalaki. Basta, take note, every Thursday night yung cut-off. So, dapat Thursday night, ma-lock in na yun. Kasi sabi nga ni CEO, no, the earlier, the better. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat po.